Today I am going to explain about general construction of cables. The general construction of three conductor cable is shown. You are seen in the display. The various parts are the conductor, that is the core, insulation, metallic sheath, bedding, armoring and survey. A cable may be have one or more than one core depending upon the type of service for which it is intended. For instance, three conductor cables are represented in the diagram you are seeing here, which is used for three-phase, three-wire service. 3.5 core and 4 cables are used for three-phase, four-wire service. The conductors are made of tinned copper or aluminum and are usually stranded in order to provide flexibility. When I come to say about insulation, each core or conductor is provided with a suitable thickness of insulation. The thickness of layer depends upon the voltage to be withstood by the cable. The commonly used material for insulations are impregnated paper, varnished cambric or rubber, mineral compound are used as insulation. When I come to say about metallic sheath, in order to protect the cable for moisture, gases or other damping liquid in the soil and atmosphere, a metallic sheath or lead or aluminum is provided over the insulation. That is called the metallic sheath. In the fibrous material like jute or hessian tape, the purpose of bedding is to protect the metallic sheath against corrosion and from mechanical injury due to armoring. Armoring is another one layer over the bedding. Armoring is provided which consists of one or two layers of the galvanized steel tape. Its purpose is to protect the cable from mechanical injury while laying it and during the course of handling. Armoring may not be done in the case of some cables. It is not necessary in some types. When it is required, only the armoring is being performed. In the representation in the display, you are seeing the armoring. The serving is another one method. In order to protect the armoring from the atmospheric corrosion, a layer of fibrous material like jute similar to bedding is provided over the armoring. This is known as serving.